I not only grew as a Sandvik employee, but I grew as a person as well. My name is Dawson and I am the business line manager for Load and Haul in Australia. I've always had an interest in customer service type roles. I've been with Sandvik for coming up 15 years now. Our customers do face numerous challenges, whether it's from the market, from their own clients or supply. Being a business line manager, you are responsible for the outcome. The benefit my role brings to customers is about acting as a conduit back to the factory. The team is geographically spread. There's a lot of online interaction with the team. It's important for them to know that they'll feel supported. We're seeing a generational change in our industry. Diesel is moving away and electrification is moving in, and Sandvik really are at the forefront of electrification in mining. For those more inclined to improve their career or go up the career ladder, I recommend doing it at Sandvik. There's a huge amount of opportunity, not just in Australia, but in other countries as well. And once you get to the other countries, there's opportunity to continue to learn and grow.